guys, today I will be playing some games in Roblox in my tablet. What should I play this? I play... Wait. Should I play Grow a Garden? I'm gonna play Grow a Garden. I usually call this gag. Please guys, like and subscribe. Guys, look out of my garden. Look of my garden is not usually. I think it's good. Oh, by the way, I'm new and I'm gonna post this. Peace, guys. You have a good day. Guys, you have my garden. It's usually they say this is a bad garden. You guys wanna see my pet? I had a red fox. And guys, I'm gonna if you guys want to friend me, my name is this, not Ripcod. This down. Yes. Add me. If you're gonna guys scan this if you can. This is okay. Look at my garden. Look. Whoa, my garden is good. That's how for today. Tell me what again should I do. Bye bye. See you in the next video.